Here's how to reverse the direction of a brushstroke in Illustrator CC 2018. I'm going to demonstrate with one of my brushes from my Ultimate Texture Brush library, which is available alongside loads of other useful Illustrator resources in my Artifacts Forge shop on Creative Market. So, to reverse the direction, select a stroke which has a brush applied to it, like so, and then open the Properties tab. If your Properties tab isn't already open, you can find it in the Windows menu here. Now, once open, look for this button, which is called Options of Selected Object, and click on it. A new menu will open, and all you need to do to reverse the direction of your stroke is to click here or here, and then click OK. It's that easy.